Hello class, and today we're going to be doing a special Werewolf Wednesday movie review. Why, you ask? Well, because we actually got another new werewolf movie this year. Today's Werewolf Wednesday movie review is going to be on Werewolves Within, starring Sam Richardson and Melania Vanyatroop. You might recognize Melania from the AT&T commercials. Werewolves Within is an adaptation of a popular video game. I have not played it myself, but it sounds like it's pretty cool. We follow our main character Finn, played by Sam Richardson. He is the new ranger in town, and he's making the big move into this new quiet, snowy town. However, while he moves into this new town, a murder is taking place. And also, our main character is starting to suspect that he's probably the only normal person in this town because everyone seems to be a character. Everyone seems to be kind of quirky and also a little bit crazy. So he's not quite exactly sure who the main suspect or suspects are. As the days seem shorter and the nights seem longer and the full moon starts to appear, more murders are starting to happen and bodies are starting to pile up. And our main character is trying to figure out, is there actually something supernatural afoot here? Is there possibly a werewolf amongst us? I'll be completely honest, I had no idea what this movie was going to be about. I just heard about it. And whenever there's a new werewolf movie, I'm always the first one to jump on it. I had no idea this was a game until I started looking up information about it. So I was kind of like, okay, cool, I'll check this out. And I was a big fan of Wolf of Snow Hollow, which came out earlier this year. So I was a big fan of that, and I was really happy to see a decent werewolf movie. So I was hoping the same thing for this one. So as I was watching this movie, it was like a whodunit type of movie with the werewolf twist, and it kind of reminded me a lot of Clue, especially with the quirkiness. And it also did remind me of the Wolf of Snow Hollow, just because of the quirkiness and also the snow town. I was like, ooh, another werewolf movie in a snow town, and everyone's kind of quirky and weird. I was like, ooh, these are very similar. I was almost thinking, ooh, I wonder if the endings are gonna be exactly the same. While I was watching this movie, I was like, since this was like a whodunit kind of movie, kind of like a mystery and also a werewolf thriller, I was like, this is everything the Howling the Rebirth movie wanted to be, but this movie's actually pulling it off. I had no idea what to expect from this movie, but this movie was actually a lot of fun. I was actually pleasantly surprised because, like I said, I had no idea what I was going to be getting while I was watching it. I did enjoy the setting of this movie. I did like the snowy atmosphere and also the dark atmosphere that it had. I did really enjoy the two main characters of the movie. I liked the quirkiness of the movie. They actually made it work, so I was actually really surprised because if you don't make it work, that could be very annoying very easily. So I was kind of crossing my fingers hoping like, ooh, I hope this movie doesn't get too stupid, because I was like, if it gets too stupid, I'm out the door. When I was watching this movie, I was really curious about the geography of this, because I was like, okay, if this snowy town's here, Wolf of Snow Hollow must be right here. And I was like, is Twin Peaks somewhere here in the middle? Just because I felt like all these areas tied in together. And I was like, I wouldn't be surprised if somehow these universes tied together. Because like I said, in the Wolf of Snow Hollow, I did a review on that earlier this year. And watching this, I was like, the quirkiness just seemed kind of to mesh very well. So I was like, these movies could actually probably coexist together. So I actually thought that was pretty cool. And with the Twin Peaks element, I was like, why not? Might as well throw them all in the same universe. I was like, I wouldn't be surprised. All these snowy towns and all these weird things happening. I was like, this could be a hub for all that supernatural element and dimensional stuff. I did enjoy The Werewolves Within, and I also enjoyed the movie The Wolf of Snow Hollow. Both films are both very quirky and they're both done very well. However, while watching both of these movies, since I did like both of them, I was like, it's making me crave like a hardcore, well done werewolf movie. Like it's really making me crave like a dark, serious, special effects driven. When I mean special effects, I mean practical effects driven, hardcore werewolf movie. So hopefully we get that again one day soon. I'm going to give The Werewolves Within a B-. Thanks for tuning in for my special Werewolf Wednesday movie review. I'm also very thankful that we had a new werewolf movie to review. Hopefully you like what you see here. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I'm Mike the Movie Misfit, and I'll see you at the movies.
Get more out of life. Go out to a movie.